Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. I believe we have another birthday challenge entry, and on the front it says that it is from Crafty Endeavors, which I have to show you the super cute stickers on the front, adorable. And then there's a sticker on the back that says, warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. So cute. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Here is what is in our envelope. Okay, so it looks like we have a card, and it has the most adorable little cake sticker on it. So cute. Oh, look how pretty this card is. Love that. I think that's paper. That paper looks like it's from the explosion box from Michael's. I have that paper. It's so cute. Birthday wishes to a spectacular you who deserves the best today, tomorrow, and all year through. All the best, Edith. Thank you, Edith. Okay, then we have this here. And let's see, it's got a little note inside. Okay, it looks like these are the papers. Okay, this bag, I love this bag. It's like a little zip baggie. It's got the black stripes on it. Okay. Aw, thanks so much for all the fun I had with your challenge, Edith. You're so welcome. Okay, so this is her social media. So YouTube is Crafty Endeavor. Yeah, Crafty Endeavors, and then her Instagram is Summer Wind Texas. Let's make some happy. I want to go to Texas, you guys. I want to go to Texas, and I want to go to Buc-ee's, and I want to get those little snacks, those little like beaver nugget things. I want to go and get those so bad. I want to move to Texas. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this ATC card is. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It says, may you always be brave enough to fly. Love that. That's beautiful. Okay, so it has her address, her name and her address, and then she's from Texas, and her favorite colors are citrus colors and vintage themes. Her birthday's Christmas Day. Oh my gosh, you were probably the best Christmas present ever to your parents. And then her YouTube channel is The Crafty Endeavors, and her Instagram is Summer Wind Texas, which of course I will put below. That is so beautiful. And then here we have the papers. Wishing you a cheerful holiday season. Let's see what this one is. Super cute polka dots. Oh, I love these stockings. How cute. And we've got some polka dots. Super cute. Look at the mini snowflakes. I love it when it's like a tiny font, because you can make like bows and stuff with it, and they'll look really cute instead of trying to take like a big huge print. Like this one would be like, to me it would be too big for bows. So I love it when they're like tiny like that. And look how pretty that glitter paper is. I love that color. That's so beautiful. Oh, and look how cool this paper is. How fun. So there's the papers. Very nice. And then here in this bag, oh, she has another one of those cute little pouches with like the Ziploc on it. So let's take everything out. Oh, that's on the outside. I thought it was like a ribbon. I was gonna take it out. Okay, so here, oh, how cute. She used one of those little plastic candy holders, and she made a sequins mix. How cute. I love these. That's so cute. And then here we have some little snowflakes and all kinds of little goodies in here. They're stuck because one of them has adhesive on it, but we'll get it out. There we go. These are so pretty. So we've got these beautiful glittered snowflakes, and we've got these beautiful flowers here. We've got a snowflake trying to steal the show. With these beautiful flowers, and look at the iridescence on those. So pretty. And we've got more pretty snowflakes. And then we have these beautiful silver glitter flowers. And we have a cardstock, cute little stocking and present. So that was a fun little bag. Oh, and then we have this. We have some ribbon and trim. How pretty. Okay. And then we have one more bag to go. Oops, sorry guys. We got one more bag to go over here. Look at that pretty, wow, look at that beautiful tissue paper. I love that color. That's so pretty. So we've got this here. LA Colors Make Them Melt Eye Palette. How fun! Look how pretty those colors are. I love makeup, you guys. I don't think I've ever told you this. One day if I ever do a craft room tour, I've got a makeup table and I've got all kinds of makeup palettes, blushes, everything, you name it. I love makeup. And we have this cute little notepad. The snuggle is real. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That is so adorable. Oh, how cute. I never got one of these and I wanted to get one. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy you sent this. So it's one of those little mermaid pencil pouches from the Dollar Tree. How cute. Thanks for sending that. That is so cute. And it looks like we've got a couple more things. Oh, look how pretty this pen is. It's got little jewels in it. That's so pretty. Like how it has that pink metallic. And I think we have one more thing. Yeah, I'm always like so paranoid that I'm gonna forget something and then I'm off video, I'm gonna find it and feel terrible. Oh, this is pretty. Did you make this? So it's a tasseled keychain and it has beautiful colors on it. So pretty. Okay, I think I opened everything. So Crafty Endeavors, Edith, let's make sure that we check her out, show her some love, show her some support, and I'll put the links down below to all of her social media and stuff. Thank you so much, Edith, for entering. Good luck to you. All right, I'll talk to you all soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.